What is contempt of court for child support arrears? Have you ever wondered what happens when a parent fails to pay child support? Well, let's talk about contempt of court for child support arrears. This situation arises when a parent is legally required to pay child support but chooses not to, even when they have the means to do so. This willful failure to pay is seen as a serious violation of the court's order. In the realm of child support, there are two main types of contempt: civil contempt and criminal contempt. Civil contempt is often aimed at getting the parent to comply with the payment order. In some cases, this can lead to the parent being jailed until they pay a specific amount of the arrears. On the other hand, criminal contempt is more punitive. It can result in fines or even imprisonment as a punishment for ignoring the court's order. The process usually starts when the custodial parent files a motion for contempt. This motion asks the court to hold the non-paying parent accountable for their actions. After this, the court will hold a hearing to determine if the failure to pay was intentional. If the court finds that the parent did not pay on purpose, it may impose penalties. These penalties can include fines, community service, or jail time, which can be up to 12 months for each count of contempt in some areas. If the non-paying parent claims they cannot pay due to changes in their financial situation, they must provide clear evidence to the court. Simply saying they cannot pay is not enough to avoid contempt. Instead, they should seek a formal modification of the child support order rather than stopping payments on their own. Ignoring child support arrears can lead to more serious consequences beyond contempt. These can include liens on property, negative impacts on credit scores, and, in federal cases, criminal prosecution if the arrears exceed certain amounts or continue for a long time. Contempt of court for child support arrears is a legal tool used to enforce child support orders when a parent intentionally refuses to pay. It helps maintain the court's authority and protects the financial interests of the child by ensuring compliance or punishing noncompliance.